Well, Mary Beth, welcome to Phoenix Contact.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah, it's a pleasure to have you. Phoenix Contact, as you know, is approaching 100 years old. We're a manufacturer of electrical products that go into factory automation and machinery that is used around the world. We're very heavily involved in Industry 4.0 topics and have helped create the original specifications. So we're excited to be a part of the Smart Factory Institute to help promote Industry 4.0 concepts.
Well, that's exactly why we are excited to have Phoenix Contact as a technology partner, because you are a leader in Industry 4.0 technology. But I think Phoenix Contact is most familiar with us through our association with Deutsche Messe Technology Academies worldwide, and especially through the Hanover Messe in Hanover, Germany.
Yeah, we're looking forward to extending that relationship from Europe here to Southeast United States.
Absolutely. Could you show me a little bit more about Phoenix Contact?
Sure.
So Mike, I know that Phoenix Contact has deep domain knowledge in the Industry 4.0 space. Can you tell me about your experience there?
Yeah. Industry 4.0 and digitalization are kind of in our core and at our DNA. Internally, we've begun to implement digitalization processes across all the different business units, HR, accounting, sales and marketing, and we coined the phrase, walk the talk. If we're out to talk to customers about Industry 4.0, we really need to live it ourselves, and we do that, particularly in manufacturing. We have a plant in Bad Pyrmont, Germany, in which we've implemented over 50 different Industry 4.0 solutions to collect data from the factory floor to either help improve quality, equipment uptime, or energy efficiencies. And through that process, we've learned a lot, and we've also recognized great benefits, anywhere from 10 to 18% increase in production process, productivity, and/or energy savings. So now with that knowledge, we're helping other manufacturers to begin to both architect their Industry 4.0 solutions, as well as to implement them across their organizations.
Wow. Well, I know that the manufacturers in the Southeast region are really looking forward to Phoenix Contact helping them with some solutions for their manufacturing operations.
And we're excited to help them.
Let's see some more.
All right. Mary Beth, we're here in our Ann Arbor Technology Center. This is one of 3 that we have around the country in which we bring customers in to help train them, educate them, we do hands-on demonstrations, and we also do proof of concepts at our tech centers. So we're really looking forward to having a 4th location via the Smart Factory Institute in Tennessee to help manufacturers in the Southeast begin their Industry 4.0 journey.
Mike, what you described is exactly the objective of the Smart Factory Institute, is to be able to showcase technology 365 days a year so that manufacturers can come in and see firsthand what options they have available to optimize their production processes.
Well, let's start on that journey with our customers and our partnership.
Thank you.